Hi there, sorry my video cut off. Let's go ahead and finish the play. So let's pick up where we left off. I'm gonna kind of go back a few lines. Pig 3. Yes, all for you. You'll never have to be wet and cold again. The troll climbed into bed and pulled the warm duvet up to his chin. Oh, I'm so warm. This is the happiest day of my... The troll, content at last, fell fast asleep. The troll and the little pigs lived happily together for many years to come. Oh, and when that wolf came sniffing around, he took one look at that troll and was never seen again. Okay, I hope you liked today's little play. I thought it was pretty fun because it had the character Little Red Riding Hood. It had the three little pigs. It had the troll from the Three Billy Goats Gruff. And it also had this little narrator right here. So I thought it was a fun little play, a little different. I would like for you to take a moment and after the video, take a moment and think back to all the different parts of a drama that you notice. Think about the characters. Think about the setting. I know I didn't show you pictures of the setting, but you're supposed to use your imagination. Think about the narrator and the different dialogues the characters had with one another. All right, bye.